Germany Health Case by Jenna and Kate. Population. Germany has a population of 80,594,017 as of July of 2017. Germany is ranked 19th, making it one of the most populated countries in the world. It is the most populated country in Europe. The population is higher in the industrial state of North Rhine-Westphalia due to the river located there. Urban areas attract larger and denser populations. The map shown on the right is the population density of Germany in persons per square kilometer.
DTM stage. The stage that Germany is in the demographic transition model is stage 4. The requirements to be in this stage is a low crude birth rate, a low or slightly increasing crude death rate, zero or negative natural increase rate, and zero population growth. The birth rate is 8.6 births to every 1,000 people in the population as of 2017. The death rate is 11.7 deaths to every 1,000 people in the population, also as of 2017. The natural increase rate of Germany is negative 2.37 as of 2015, which applies to the requirements of being in stage 4 of the DTM. The graph shown on the right shows that in stage 4, Germany would have a high total population, low birth rate, and low death rate.
Sex ratio. The sex ratio is the number of males per 100 females in the population. The following statistics will be read off as males to females. At birth, there are 106 to 100. From 0 to 14 years, there are 105 to 100. From 15 to 24 years of age, there are 104 to 100. The years going from 25 to 52, there are 102 to 100. At 55 to 64 years, there are 98 to 100. And 65 years and over, there are 78 to 100. The total population is 97 to 100 as of 2016. The ratio throughout are fairly close in comparison. The graph on the right depicts the sex ratio of men per woman in Germany by age. The blue line is 2014 and the red line is 2015.
Maternal mortality rate. The maternal mortality rate is the annual number of female deaths per 100,000 live births from any cause, excluding accidental causes. There are 6 deaths in every 100,000 births as of 2015. Germany is ranked 165th, which is very good. This meaning they have very few deaths at birth. Germany being in the 4th stage is a big reason of this. They are a developed country and have more luxuries. The graph on the right is showing Germany's number of maternal deaths per 100,000 births in comparison to other countries.
Population pyramid. A population pyramid is a bar graph that represents the distribution of population by age and sex. The chart to the right reads that 0 to 14 years is at 12.82%, 14 to 24 years is at 10.9%, 25 to 54 years is at 40.45%, 55 to 64 years is at 14.58%, and 65 years and over is at 22.06%. This was established in 2017.
Dependency ratio. The dependency ratio is the number of people under age 15 and over age 64 compared to the number of people active in the labor force. The total dependency ratio is 52.1. The youth dependency ratio is 19.9. The elderly dependency ratio is 32.1. The graph on the right shows the age dependency ratio in Germany. It shows that in the years past 2010, the ratio is roughly 52%.
Infant mortality rate. The infant mortality rate is the total number of deaths in a year among infants under 1 year of age for every 1,000 live births in a society. The total infant mortality rate is 3.4 deaths in every 1,000 live births. The male rate is 3.7 deaths in every 1,000 live births. The female rate is 3.1 deaths in every 1,000 live births. Germany is 205th in comparison to the world. This is a good thing because it has a low infant mortality in comparison to Afghanistan, which has 112. The bar graph on the right shows Germany's infant mortality rate in comparison to 3 other countries. It is tied with Greece, but Italy has a lower rate.
Health expenditures. Health expenditures are broadly defined as activities performed by institutions or individuals through the application of medical, paramedical, or nursing knowledge and technology, the primary purpose of which is to promote, restore, or maintain health. The health expenditure is 11.3% of the gross domestic product, GDP. In comparison to the world, Germany is 10th, and this is good because that means more production is taking place in Germany, and citizens are spending more money because they have a higher income. The bar graph on the right shows Germany's healthcare expenditure in 1990 and 2006. It has since risen to 11.3% in 2014.
Hospital bed density. The hospital bed density provides the number of hospital beds per 1,000 people. There are 8.2 beds in every 1,000 population as of 2011. The graph on the right shows that Germany is leading Europe in hospital bed capacity. Although this graph depicts hospital beds per 100,000 inhabitants, meaning Germany would have about 820.
Obesity/HIV rates. Obesity is the condition of being overweight. The adult prevalence of obesity is 22.3% as of 2016. The illustration on the right depicts Germany with a different obesity rate than we have recorded, but is still in the 10 most obese countries on Earth, although in comparison the US is much higher. HIV statistics are not available for us to look at. This includes adult prevalence rate, people living with HIV, and death.